Hello everyone, my name is Shaha and I'm a legal intern at LEXIS and Company. Today I'm going to discuss about the principles of international law. The principles of international law includes the principle of sovereign equality. This principle states that all states are equal in international law regardless of their size, power or wealth. The principle of non-intervention. This principle prohibits states from interfering in the internal or external affairs of other states. The principle of good faith. This principle requires states to act in good faith in their dealings with each other. The principle of pacta sunt servanda. This principle, which means agreements must be kept, requires states to comply with their international obligations. The principle of the rule of law. This principle requires states to govern in accordance with the law and to ensure that their citizens are protected from arbitrary government action. The principle of the prohibition of the use of force. This principle prohibits the use of force against the territorial integrity or political independence of any state except in self-defense or with the authorization of the United Nations Security Council. The principles of the protection of human rights. This principle requires states to respect and protect the human rights of their citizens. These are just some of the most important principles of international law. There are many other principles that govern the relations between states, and these principles are constantly evolving as the world changes. In addition to the principles listed above, there are also a number of general principles of law that are recognized by international law. These principles include the principle of equity, the principle of estoppel, and the principle of res judicata. These principles are not specifically mentioned in the United Nations Charter or other international legal instruments, but they are nevertheless considered to be part of international law. The principles of international law are constantly evolving, but they provide a foundation for the peaceful and orderly conduct of international relations. Now, I'm winding up this video. If any viewer has the questions regarding the same, do let me know in the comment box. Thank you.